Hey guys, today I am creating a dreamy engagement makeup look. This look is elegant, fresh and totally in sync with 2025 bridal trend. Let's get into it. Before makeup, there should be nothing on your face. Using this Bioderma micellar water. Before moisturizer, I want to prepare my skin with MAC Fix Plus. And if you are having an oily skin which is very extremely oily skin, this should be your first step. As I always say, please give some few seconds between each step of your makeup. Let's move on to moisturizer, that is Aqua Blast PAC water-based moisturizer, a very good moisturizer for oily skin. See to it that your moisturizer sink into your skin very well. The next step is primer. Usually, if you are an oily skin person, it is better to use a silicone-based primer. I want to use this gripping primer. This is an illuminating primer. Just take a one drop. Skin is truly completely prepared and it is ready for the makeup. Skin preparation is absolute important. Never ever forget it. Never ever neglect it. The first step in makeup is always a concealer. Since my dark circles are not too darker than my skin tone, so I am using 2 shades darker concealer than my skin tone so that I can color correct my dark circle. Today I'm using wax based concealer which is from Kryolan Derma in the shade DJ2. See, this wax based concealers are very good for oily skin again. You can see the spot here, so I'm just covering up. Since you apply 2 shades darker than your skin tone concealer, you will definitely look darker, and that is absolutely a right step. So now take your foundation, one of the best foundation for all skin types. This is Charmacy Milano. I am in the shade 11. Help of a damp sponge, I'm just blending it. I'm using the D'Alba Fur Serum Spray. You can see that immediate glow on your face. Now it's a time for that highlighting concealer. Here I'm using e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. These are the high points that I want to highlight on my face. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm taking a powder and rub it on my hand and then apply. Look up and apply under your eyes. Just lock your concealer. As our base is ready and concealer is also locked, let's get into the eye makeup. An eyeshadow palette from PAC On The Go palette. Look at these colors. As a first step, I am taking that precise brush, taking this kind of deep brownish purple and black. I'm just mixing these 2 colors on my outer V. Now I'm taking that small fluffy brush and I'm taking the nude shade, like nudish orange, and going into the crease line, that large fluffy brush, and start blending it, blending inside. You can see the eyes. Now again take a black and purple eyeshadow mix. Now go into the lower lash line. I want to use this shade, this shimmer, with my finger. I'm just dabbing it. I'll just take a brush and take a black eyeshadow again. I want to give that lifted look, that kind of eyeliner look. This is the eye makeup that I want to create today because I want to go something very bold with my eyes. Now I'm taking Kajal from Faces Canada. It's a time to curl my eyelashes. Applying mascara. Now I'm going into blush. Green blushes are from Swiss Beauty. I'm using that peach shade and some pink shade together. It's time for us to lock our makeup. The compact powder is from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 310. Since all my cream products are locked, now I'm applying my contour. If you are a blush person, just go with the powder blush also. Now the most important step for that glow, highlighter. And I'm using my favorite highlighter, that is from Smashbox Becca highlighter in the shade Sea Pop. I'm taking through my cheekbone area. One swipe, you can see the difference, you can see the shine. I'm taking that little bit inside my eye corner. Your next step is applying your lipstick. Here I'm taking Shopperell lip liner in the shade Coral. Since my eyes are very bright and shiny today, I want to go very matte and simple with my lip. Two options. One is the nude one. The other one is the pink one. Let's see, I want to go with the nude one. And now I want to mix the pink one also. Since I feel the nude one is not so perfect for the occasion, so let's mix this pink color. It's from Lakme, the Rose Touch. The nude mixed pink lipstick with a brown lip liner. Let's lock our makeup with the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Fixer. So here is the final look.